Namaste students, welcome to RSV Group of Schools on YouTube channel. Yes children, myself Sarita Binani, I am teaching you maths. Your chapter is 8th decimal. What do you mean by decimal? First you know meaning of the decimal. Decimal we can write down as a point. This is a point is called decimal. Whenever this point is comes in any number, between any number or in front of any number, this is called decimal. What do you mean by decimal? Decimal means if any number is given to you and you will divide by 10, this is called decimal. Yes children, let's take one example. Length of a pencil is 8 cm 3 mm. It is written in the unit. But when I want these 8 cm 3 mm, this length is having 2 units, but I want in only single unit. So what I will do? 3 mm is a smaller one, so I have to convert into centimeter. I will divide 3 by 10. Why? Because 1 centimeter having 10 millimeter. So 3 by 10 centimeter. After that, converting into decimal, it comes 8.3 centimeter. So we can say that this point is called decimal. Or see children, let's take one more example. 2.3. Whatever we are reading 2.3, and in decimal also we can write down 2.3. We can write down in another way also 2 as a ones. Why? Because before decimal all the numbers are moving to the left. They are ones, tens, hundreds. But whenever the decimal is there, we move to the right to the left. My first number is showing 10th. Means 3 upon 10. So tenths word will come. So I have to write down 2 ones and 3 tenths. Tenth means I can say that 2 ones plus 3 tenths. Understood? Whenever upon 10 will come, this is called 3 tenths. So if I have take one more example, 30 plus 6 plus 2 upon 10. So how can you write down in the decimal? 30 plus 6, 36. 36 as a whole number plus 2 by 10. Yes children, 2 by 10 we know that we have to write down with decimal. So 36.2. Why point has come? Because in denominator 10 is given. So 10 is converted into decimal. So 36.2 it is written in decimal. Yes children, now fractions as decimals. Already we have studied about the fractions. So if the fraction is given 11 upon 5, how can I write down in decimal? Two ways are there. First way, if I will multiply 2 upon 2. So see children, because denominator is 5. So whenever I multiply by 2, it converts into 10. So 11 2s are 22 and it will convert into 10. And after 10, what we will do? We can put the decimal also. I can write down 20 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10. I have breakdown. 20 upon 10. It is converted to whole as a 2 because 0 and 0 both are deducted. After that, only 2 by 10 is remaining. So 2 by 10 is having the decimal, and I can write down here 2.2. Understood? 2.2 it is called the decimal. Means fractions given 11 upon 5 and I have converted it to 2.2. This is the first method. If I will do directly, so how can I do? If 11 upon 5 is given to you, what we will do? In simplest form, we will divide 11 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 is remainder. Now what we will do? Because remainder is less than the divisor, so we will put here decimal and decimal in the quotient type, and in remainder we will put 0. So 10 is there, 5 2s are 10. So 10 minus 10 cross. It means 2.2 is converted equals to 11 upon 5. 11 upon 5 as a fraction, 2.2 as a decimal. Both are the same. Now move to the next topic, decimals as fractions. Means if any number is given to you decimal, like that 1.2, you have to convert into fraction. How we convert? Same 1.2 I can write down 10 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10. Why 2 upon 10? Because 2 is having decimal, so 2 upon 10 will come. Simple method, second method, how I do, children? See, 1.2 is written over here. I have to remove this decimal, and after that, in denominator, I have to put the zeros. But how many zeros will come? See, after decimal, how many digits are there? Only single digit. So, 1 0 will come. So, I can write down here 12 upon 10 because already decimal removed and it converted into upon 10. So, 12 upon 10 is my fraction. 1.2 written as 12 upon 10 as a fraction and 1.2 as a decimal. Yes, children. See, 19.4. Again, I have taken one example, 19.4 as a decimal. How I convert into fraction? 19.4. I have written over here. Then put the decimal. So, how I put the zeros? Means I have to convert into fraction. So, remove this zero. Remove this decimal by the zero. And see how many digits are there after the decimal. Single digit. So, I will put here 1 0. So, 194 upon 10, it is converted into fraction. Understood? So, these are the two topics. Fractions given, we can convert decimal. Decimals given, we can convert as a fraction. Yes, children? Now move. Next topic, express in lowest term. If any question given into decimal, how we convert into lowest term? Yes, I have to write down here 2.34 upon, because I have to convert as a decimal to fraction. How I convert? See, children, whenever we remove decimal, we will put 1 after that zeros. How many zeros will come? 1 and 2. 2 digits are there after decimal. So, I will put 2 0 and I have to remove decimal. So, I can write down here 234 upon 100. Now, I can reduce this one. How I reduce? See, by 2 table, because this is also divisible by 2, this is also divisible by 2. So, it will come 11 2s are 22, 1, 7 2s are 14 upon 50. Yes, children. Now, it cannot be divisible. Why? Because 1177 is odd number and 5 zeros. This is even number. So, odd and even both are not converting in reduced form. So, it is the lowest form. Now, if any question is given to you in the words, see 306 and 5/10. How can I write down in decimal? 306. So, I can write down 306 and 5/10. What do you mean by 5/10? 5 after decimal will come. Or I can write down here plus 5 upon 10 also. Or I can write down here 306.5 because 10th is written. 10th means divided by 10 only. So, in this manner we can write down as a decimal. Yes, children. Now, one more example. This is called expanded form. Already we have done, but we have done after the ones, tens, hundreds. But in decimal, we will go for the decimals also. So, before decimals, these are called whole numbers and these are called the decimal number. How can I write down? 236. So, I can add all these. I have to write down 236 as a whole number. Now, put the decimal. See, children, my first digit 1/10. So, after decimal, what will come? Only 1. Now, 0 upon 100. 100 means second digit. After decimal, which digit? Second digit. Second digit is as a numerator. Now, third digit because 3 zeros are there. So, which will come? 5. So, I can write down over here 236.105. Yes, children, keep in mind how we read if any decimal number is given to you. I have to read out this like that here written 2.34. I can't speak out 2.34. I have to read it 2.34 because after decimal I have to write down, I have to speak out only single digit. So same manner, this number 236 is a whole number and after that decimal 236.105. So in this manner we can convert the numbers are given into decimals.